We are in the seventh in the series. It portrays that honesty itself is his revealed aspect. A retired teacher in Calicut, after his retirement, set up a vegetable shop. The uniqueness of this shop is that it is never locked all the 24 hours. It is in the midst of a town, no? In Calicut. A grill door is merely is merely shut to keep away stray animals from gambolling in. This retired teacher opens his shop at 10 a.m. in the morning. And by 11 o'clock, the nearby farmers, they bring their produce. And the wholesalers also bring vegetables there. Then it will be time for his meal, so he goes, comes back at 4 o'clock, remains there till 7 o'clock, again goes. He was telling that whoever wants any vegetables in between, they can just open the door, take whatever vegetables they have, there is a price list exhibited there, and they will put the money there. And because it is open, they can come at any time. So when someone asked this teacher, suppose they don't put money while taking it, he spontaneously replied, it might be because there could be some shortage of money in his pocket. And after all, vegetable is a part of the food, Whenever somebody comes to our house, we give them food, We don't charge. And he also revealed that this unique method has never been instrumental in incurring any loss. And on the contrary, yet profit. There was no loss, but instead of that, yet profit. And another angle is, he felt contented with the pension he gets, He's a retired teacher. He said, that takes care of my personal requirement or family requirement. So when we look at this anecdote from the spiritual angle, we see that God in the form of the retired teacher teaches that love towards all expresses itself in the form of trusting all. This is very important. Trusting. Hence it makes one free from anxiety and insecurity. Trust plays an important role, especially for a spiritual aspect. Papa says, we can live in perfectly honest life in whatever situation we are placed, provided we intensely aspire to live up to our ideal of absolute honesty. Hari Om.